Hi cuties, Wendy here. Today I'm going to try my hand at making a folding card with a little surprise inside for you. All you need to make this is a regular 8.5 by 11 piece of paper and anything you want to use to color and decorate your drawing with. So the first step is, after you've gotten your paper, is to just fold this paper in half. So I'm just going to go ahead and make sure all my corners are together on both sides and just fold straight down in the middle. Then from there, I'm just going to turn it around so it's easier for me to see. I'm just going to take this flap right here and fold it back up to the top. And fold down. And then from there, I'm just going to flip this over and do the same thing. There. So this part right here is not really going to be folded. So I'm just going to fold it back down. So all we needed is the crease, and I'm just going to flip it back. And this is what you should have at the end. It's basically just a card that you can pull up. Okay, so now that we have this all done and folded, we can start to draw whatever you want right here. And basically when you open it, it's going to have a nice little surprise inside. So to start, I'm just going to get my Sharpie just so you can see it a little bit better. But if you're more comfortable, start with a pencil and then you can go back in with a Sharpie to outline it. But I'm going to tuck a paper underneath here just so I don't get my table dirty. And I'm just going to go ahead and start to draw. So since this card is inspired by Valentines, I'm going to draw a little teddy bear right here inside a box. So I'm going to start in the center area and just work on this one panel at the top right here. So I'm going to start, say about right here. I'm just going to come about right here and draw a curve for a little teddy bear head. So I'm going to go kind of fast because I have 3 characters I want to draw. And I just want to give you an idea of what you could do with this card. And with the head, and then we're going to come in here with the ears for our teddy bear. So I won't do too much explaining because I don't want this video to take forever. But I definitely hope this inspires you to come up with your own little animals inside for this card. So right here, I'm going to continue this part down. So now I'm working on the bottom panel right here. So I just want you to see that. And about right there, I'll stop. Now that we're about the same level, and I'm going to draw a straight line across to put our little teddy bear inside our gift box right there. Come in here and connect that line better. Okay, so then let's draw our box underneath right here. So we're just going to come in here, quickly draw our gift box and connect it. And let's just decorate it with another panel right here. And I'm going to come right in here, draw an angle line all the way very close to where it folds. And same thing right here. And angle line out. There, so now our teddy bear looks like he's inside the box, right? And so then let's come up right here. I'm just going to draw the lid. So draw a little angle that's going to be resting on our box. So it's going to be at the same level. Angle it out again and connect. And then let's come right here in the center. I'm going to draw a little bow on both sides. And you can come in here and decorate your box if you want, maybe with some hearts. So I'm just going to draw 3 hearts. So if I'm going too fast, please just pause the video and let's see here. Then let's come back up here. I'm going to draw a little bow right here for my teddy bear. So this is all up to you how you want to decorate. Your little bear here, whatever animal you choose to draw. And let's see here. Right here, I'm going to add a little rectangle at an angle. Just a little tag, right? And it's gonna say, I love you, of course, right? But you can put whatever you want. There. Okay, so most important part is done. Now we're gonna lift this up and we're gonna start to work on the other two panels. Whatever you draw, just kind of gauge where everything's going to stop and end. So our little bear is going to be ending about right here, and then your second animal is going to be about right here, a little bit past the center, and then your head of whatever animal you're going to draw is going to be right here. So just slowly work with the proportions. So I'm going to come with this teddy bear right at the top, and I'm going to continue my body right here. So then now I'm going to draw a cat right here, and once again it's going to end a little bit below this panel right here so that I can give myself room for the head of this panda right here at the bottom. So I'm going to start right here underneath the teddy bear. So about right here I'll pop out a big curve. So I'll end about right there, close to where that fold is. Give my cat here a big head. There. Okay, so then now I'm going to draw his little body. So I'm going to center it, so about right there. And once again, I'm going to pop it down to about right here. Okay, so now we have our cat, and now the last one right here. So we're just going to continue this curve right here. So the most important thing is just continue this. So I'm just going to come up a little bit. There. So that's the body, and I'm going to come right here and add a curve. So that's going to be the beginning of our head. And I'm going to bring this all the way back up here. And come down there and on the other side. Okay, and then of course you gotta give him a bow too, right? So I'm just gonna make sure my bow doesn't go past this line right here, and I'm just gonna add a little bow for him as well, or her. And give it a little ribbon right there. Okay, so that is pretty much it. So once we close it down, little bear, and all these cute little animals, right? So now to really decorate it. So see why I needed a piece of paper underneath? It goes right through, right? Okay, so I'm gonna add a bunch of hearts to make it spectacular. So that is it, and now I'm just going to go ahead and color it and bring this to life. So there, all done, but I just realized I messed up big time in my rush of trying to figure this all out. I totally forgot about the colors, and so now I have a brown bear and a white panda. So how am I going to fix this, right? Let's see if I can do this. I'm going to come in here with my whiteout pen. Don't do this at home. Either have a white bear and a white panda, or maybe a brown bear, and you can make this like a cat or something where it's the same color. So I'm so sorry about that. But I'm gonna try to fix this because I spent so much time making this. So I'm gonna come in here. Hopefully this is gonna work. And let's see if I can fix this. So now you know what not to do, right? Okay, so I'm gonna wait for that to dry a little bit, and I'm just gonna make it look like the bear has a little white tummy. Ta-da! Now because of that, I have a bear with a white tummy, and I think it actually works. So I'm just gonna come in here right at the crease, and I'm just gonna outline this white part right here. And there, and you would never have known, right? But then I've run into another problem right here. Oh, it never ends. So I'm gonna come right here. I'm gonna add a little curve right here. And I'm just gonna go ahead and white out this whole thing. So there, all done. I hope my boo-boo here wasn't too bad and I was able to fix it. I really hope this little card here inspires you to give it a try and make it for someone this Valentine's or anytime. I'm sure whoever you give this to, they'll be so happy to get it. And remember, cuties, your card does not have to look exactly like mine. I'm just here to inspire you. Just remember, whatever you do here, these two characters, just make sure they're the same color. And don't make the mistake I did. But have fun with this, and thanks so much for watching. And if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.